Have you ever seen a fish that sparks when you cut it with a knife? This fish is so tough that you need a hammer to cut it. Even professional chefs give up trying. Its scales are so strong that they make a metallic sound when struck. This isn't just a fish, it's a living tank. Meet the alligator gar. It's also called a living fossil because it has survived for millions of years without much change. It can grow up to 2 to 3 meters long, and its teeth grip prey just like an alligator. But here's the surprising part. As hard as it is to cook, it's just as delicious to eat. But cutting it, that's nothing less than a mission.